Hello friends, welcome to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by Punjab Public Service Commission, as you can see here on the screen. So Punjab Public Commission is going to recruit engineers, sub-divisional engineers. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notification. That means all the state government engineering recruitment notifications, central government engineering recruitment notifications, as well as friends, we used to cover all other public sector undertaking organizations engineering recruitment notifications as well. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to the recruitment notification analysis, as you can see here on the screen, Punjab Public Service Commission is going to recruit sub-divisional engineers, and total number of vacancies 50, and in the Department of Water Supply and Sanitation. So if you look at the category wise vacancies friends, general vacancies 23, ex-serviceman is 3, sports person belongs to Punjab state is 1, person with disabilities, deaf and hard of hearing is 2, and locomotive disability is 1, and scheduled caste other Punjab 5, scheduled caste other ESM, LDESM Punjab, scheduled caste other sports person belongs to Punjab, Balmiki Majheri Sikh belongs to Punjab, and then the other various other backward classes are also there, and in total number of vacancies 50. The number of vacancy reserved and reservation of post is liable to alteration without any notice. So friends, if you look at the pay scale, grade pay of 5,400 will be provided with 15,600 initial pay. And if you look at the educational qualification friends, degree in engineering, in civil or mechanical from a recognized university or institution is required. And apart from these friends, Punjabi of metric or its equivalent standard is also essential. If you look at the age criteria friends, minimum eligibility is 18 years and maximum age is 37 years as on 1st January 2020. And if you belong to the reserved categories like SC ST, then you will be 5 years age relaxation will be permissible, and for person with disabilities 10 years age relaxation will be permissible, and for OBC 3 years age relaxation will be permissible, but only for the candidates belongs to Punjab state only. And friends, if you look at the point number 7, it is mentioned that candidate must possess the requisite qualification or experience before or by 31st November 2020. That means friends, if you have not yet completed your bachelor degree, then also you are eligible, but you have to complete your degree by 31st November 2020. And friends, if you would like to get all other informations regarding this recruitment, you can avail all such information from this particular website. Link is available in the description box of this video only. And friends, online application procedure has already been started, and it will continue till 31st July 2020. And friends, last date for depositing the application fee is 7th August 2020. So friends, this was all about the recruitment notification. If you are having any problem, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. And if you would like to get this kind of recruitment notification updates every day, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thank you.